Hello friends, I am Nilima. Welcome to NJ classes. Our today's topic is prime factors. A factor that is a prime number is known as prime factor. For example, 15 equals 3 multiplied by 5. Here 3 and 5 are factors of 15. 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So 3 and 5 are prime factors of number 15. To obtain prime factors, we can use two methods, vertical method and horizontal method. So let's see one by one. Vertical method, consider any given number such as 250. Start by dividing the number by the first prime number 2 and continue dividing by 2 until you get a decimal or remainder. Then divide by 3, 5, 7, etc. until the only number left are prime numbers. Friends, here you must know divisibility rule for a number which we had seen previously, and link is given in description box. So let's start with 2. When we divide 250 by 2, we get 125. Now divide 125 by 5, so we get 25. Divide 25 by 5, so we get 5. 5 divided by 5, so we get 1. Here observe, all divisors are prime numbers. So we get 250 equals 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. This is vertical arrangement. Now let's see horizontal arrangement. Here consider same number 250. We can represent 250 as 2 multiplied by 125. Here 2 is prime number and 125 is composite number. So represent 125 as 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 25. Here 2 and 5 are prime numbers and 25 is composite number. Write down 25 as 5 multiplied by 5. So we get 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now all numbers are prime numbers. So these are prime factors of given number 250. This is a horizontal arrangement to obtain prime factors. From this, it is observed that any composite number can be written as the product of prime numbers. Friends, I hope you would understand the concept of prime factors. If you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Thank you.